Hey, Radiance here. I took both dark and light color themes from Notion and applied them to my React app. The goal was to create a universal color palette to make colors easy when starting a new project. Let's see how it went. Here's my productivity app after stealing Notion colors. It has a different style to Notion, but the colors still fit in Krita, and I would assume this color palette would work for other types of apps too. The theme structure has a name. It could be either dark or light. There could be a need for more shadows, but for now let's have only two. A small one for cars and a medium for power menus. Both themes have the same shadows, except the dark theme is more opaque. To make the theme universal, we use functional names like primary or secondary instead of purple or yellow. The only exception is the white color. First, we have primary and attention colors. However, primary is the color we use for interactive elements, while attention is more of a call to action, for example on the landing page. After that, we have a color for success and failure that are green and red. Background and foreground colors fill most of the app space. For example, here we use the background color for the main page content and foreground for the sidebar. Then we have four types of text. Every other color gets less prominent. Here we use the text color for the title of the page, the supporting color for inactive navigation items, the second supporting color for the title of the card, and the last one for placeholder in inputs. Two background colors will not be enough, especially for dark theme. We also use two glass colors, where the second one is more opaque. Here we use the first color for interactive elements hovers and the second one for this radio group at the top. Then you have an overlay color to focus the user on the model and the outline hover for elements like this button. I didn't take palette colors from Notion and instead use a function that generates a color from an index. I have a video in the description explaining this approach. Usually components don't need to know the theme name except in few situations like this card, which doesn't need to use foreground in the light theme. That's all, stay productive.